Hey friend, welcome to day 4 of the 30-day shadowing challenge here on Just Say English. I'm your host Ramo, and today we're diving into one of the most powerful parts of language. Because fluency isn't just about perfect grammar or wide vocabulary. It's about expressing your heart clearly, honestly, and confidently. Have you ever wanted to say, I feel lost. I'm proud of myself. I'm deeply grateful. But your English didn't match your emotions? Today, we fix that. Today, you'll shadow and learn 150 real emotional expressions that native speakers use every single day. And you'll experience them in 2 emotional, real-life scenarios that will move you and teach you. Learn to express real feelings in English. Feel more confident in emotional conversations. Practice deeply through immersive shadowing. Connect words to your real experiences. Let's begin. Part 1. 150 real-life emotional English phrases. Shadow each phrase after me. Say it with tone, with emotion, with meaning. Scene A. Happy, positive feelings. I'm feeling amazing today. I'm full of energy. I'm in a great mood. I feel truly happy. I'm thrilled about this. I'm on top of the world. I'm smiling from ear to ear. I feel so alive. I'm glowing today. I'm filled with joy. This makes my heart full. I'm feeling confident. I feel powerful today. I feel lucky. I'm really proud of myself. I'm bubbling with excitement. I feel like celebrating. I'm in love with life. I feel like anything is possible. I'm walking on sunshine. I'm feeling hopeful. I feel unstoppable. I'm deeply grateful. I feel like I'm exactly where I need to be. I'm finally at peace. I feel refreshed and ready. I'm optimistic about what's coming. I feel motivated. I'm excited for what's next. I feel deeply content. 𝗖𝗵𝗹𝗶𝗴 down feelings. I'm feeling really low. I feel emotionally exhausted. I'm not okay right now. I feel heartbroken. I feel like crying. My heart feels heavy. I'm struggling inside. I feel worthless. I'm drowning in sadness. I feel numb. I feel lost. I'm having a rough day. I feel empty inside. I feel invisible. I'm hurting quietly. I'm feeling hopeless. I feel like giving up. I can't find my smile. I miss someone deeply. I'm just not myself today. I feel stuck in my emotions. I feel broken. I'm mentally drained. I feel left out. I feel rejected. I feel so alone. I feel like I'm falling apart. I've lost my spark. I'm deeply disappointed. I feel like I'm fading. Scene C. Stress, anxiety, fear. I'm overwhelmed. I feel anxious all the time. I'm afraid of what's coming. I'm under so much pressure. My chest feels tight. I can't stop worrying. I feel nervous. I'm stressed out. I feel panicked. I can't calm my mind. My thoughts are racing. I'm second-guessing myself. I'm scared I'll fail. I feel like I'm drowning in responsibilities. I can't breathe. I feel like I'm going to break. I'm shaking from the inside. I don't feel safe. I can't sleep because of stress. I feel like I'm losing control. I'm emotionally on edge. My nerves are all over the place. I feel pressure from everyone. I feel like screaming. I can't handle much more. I feel trapped in my mind. I'm scared to speak up. I feel overwhelmed and exhausted. I don't feel ready. I'm worried about everything. Scene D, anger, frustration. I'm really frustrated. I feel angry. I'm fed up. I'm losing patience. I'm boiling inside. I feel ignored. I can't take it anymore. I'm not okay with this. I'm done pretending I'm fine. I feel like yelling. This situation drives me crazy. I feel disrespected. I'm not being heard. I'm feeling bitter. I feel annoyed. I feel taken for granted. I'm disappointed in how this turned out. I feel used. I feel like walking away. I don't feel valued. Scene E. Confusion. Uncertainty. I don't know what I feel. I feel confused. I'm unsure of what to do next. I'm stuck in between decisions. I don't trust my own judgment. I'm second-guessing everything. I feel torn inside. I'm doubting myself. I can't decide what's right. I feel like I'm floating without direction. Scene. Love, care, connection. I feel deeply connected to you. I care about you more than I show. I trust you with my heart. I feel safe around you. I feel seen and heard. I'm so thankful for your presence. I feel loved when I'm with you. You bring me peace. I feel like I can be myself around you. I love how you listen. I feel supported by you. You make me feel important. I appreciate you so much. I feel like we understand each other. You make my day brighter. I'm grateful to have you in my life. I feel like we were meant to meet. I admire your heart. I feel inspired by you. You make me feel whole. Scene G. Reflection. Acceptance. Peace. I feel at peace with where I am. I'm learning to accept myself. I feel like I've grown. I'm embracing my journey. I'm healing slowly. I feel wiser than before. I'm making peace with the past. I'm finally forgiving myself. I feel more grounded. I'm proud of how far I've come. Part those. Deep scenario practice. Scenario 1. I feel lost, and no one notices. You've been holding emotional weight for months, pretending, pushing, performing, but inside, you're breaking. On a late night, you finally decide to call Ramo, someone who truly listens, even when no one else does. Phone ringing. Late night. It's 1:17 a.m. You sound tired but serious. Hey, Ramo, are you awake? Sorry for calling this late. I didn't know who else to talk to. I've been meaning to say something for weeks. maybe months. I'm not okay. I smile, I laugh, I show up, but none of it feels real anymore. I feel like I'm sleepwalking through my own life. I wake up and already feel exhausted. I go through the day, work, texts, meetings, but none of it touches me. My heart feels heavy all the time. I feel like I'm fading into the background of everyone else's life. Sometimes I stare at the ceiling and wonder, if I disappeared, would anyone really notice? I know that sounds dark, but it's the truth. And the scariest part is I've become really good at hiding it. People say I'm strong, reliable, always smiling. But inside, Ramo, I'm falling apart. I don't want to fake being okay anymore. I just want someone to really see me, even if I'm a mess. Do you? Ramo, I do. I see you. And I feel your pain in every word you just said. You're not alone. You're not invisible. You've carried so much for so long and you're still standing. That's not weakness. That's strength with battle scars. But you don't have to carry this alone anymore. You don't need to earn rest, or love, or care. You deserve to be held, even when you're falling apart. You're not too much for feeling deeply. You're just human. And I am here. Not just tonight, but whenever your voice shakes and you need someone to hold space. Let's walk through this storm together. You don't have to hide anymore. Scenario 2. My dream finally came true. You've just received an email confirming you've been accepted into your dream program, something you've worked toward for years. You're overwhelmed, sobbing with joy, and you immediately call Ramo to share this once-in-a-lifetime moment. Ramo, pick up. I need to tell you something. Guess what? I got the acceptance email. I got it. I can't breathe. My hands are shaking. This is really happening. I've dreamed of this day for years. And now it's real. It's real. I swear I read the email 5 times before I believed it. Do you remember that time I cried because I thought I'd never be good enough? Remember how many rejections I got? Everyone told me to try something easier, to be realistic. But I didn't give up, even when I felt like quitting every single day. This dream was the only thing that kept me going. And now, I did it, Ramo. I really did it. I feel so proud of myself. And honestly, so overwhelmed. I'm sobbing and smiling and shaking all at the same time. I feel like I'm watching a movie, but it's my life. I feel so alive, so ready, so grateful. This moment is everything I imagined. And more. Ramo. Oh my God, yes, I knew this day would come. You earned every single bit of this moment. This isn't just luck. This is years of effort, late nights, tears, hope, doubt, and pure courage. I saw the grind. I saw the struggle. But I also saw the fire in your heart that never died. And look at you now. You made it. You didn't just chase a dream, you caught it. I'm so proud of you I could scream. Celebrate this moment. Cry, dance, laugh, whatever your heart needs. This is yours, and it's just the beginning. Daily challenge. Pick 10 phrases from today's list that describe how you feel. Practice them 3 times with emotion. Use one phrase in a real conversation today. Ask someone, "How are you really feeling?" and just listen. Journal or voice. Record a 30-second monologue using today's phrases. You just finished one of the most powerful days in this challenge. You didn't just learn English, you practiced speaking from your soul. This is real fluency. This is the kind of English that connects hearts. I'll see you tomorrow for day 5 of Just Say English. Until then, keep feeling, keep speaking, keep growing. Take care. I'm proud of you. Ramo.